Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Very good. It looks very good.
I like the uniform.
This is our march for a safer tomorrow. Our march for a safer tomorrow. Israel united in Christ, 12 tribes of Israel, Blacks, Latinos, Native American Indians, we are the Israelites. We must organize and come together as one race, one people, in the name of our Black King, Jesus the Christ.
It's high time that Blacks and Hispanics start realizing Latinos and Hispanic, we are the same people.
And it's important that our people see unity, like you've never seen unity before. Blacks and Latinos, we must come together as one.